Turn on the Powerpack. Then press the button and release when the light turns blue. Place the pedal sensor on a flat surface with the logo facing up. After a couple of seconds, tap the pedal sensor. If you see the light changing color and blinking fast, tap it again. You'll see the light turn blue and hear the pedal sensor beep. This means it is scanning for a Powerpack. When they pair, you will hear the pedal sensor beep again and all lights will return to normal. At this point the system is ready, but it won't provide power until we acknowledge that it is safe. This means everything properly installed on the bike. So install the Powerpack if it wasn't installed already. Note the foam padding on the backside of the pedal sensor. This side of the sensor is intended to go against your crank. Install the pedal sensor on your left crank with the logo side facing away from the pedal. Finally, press the Powerpack button once to tell the system that you're ready to go.